Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. I want to put a new vehicle we've got. It's a 2013 Ford F350 regular cab, two-wheel drive, 12-foot stake body. Let me show this baby off. My boys did a really good job on this thing, getting her ready. It's got brand new 10-ply Transforce tires. Chassis is in remarkable condition. I mean, this thing is rust free. There's the steel floor. Show off the inside here a little bit. Kind of a plain Jane truck, no power. Does have a CD, MP3, ice cold AC, very important here in the South. No rips or tears in the seats. Headliner's in excellent shape. Does come with head protection airbags there. Also side protection airbags. We make sure that you got jacks, all the tools that you need. Just overall, real nice cream puff here. You have any questions on this unit? My name is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors in Raleigh, North Carolina. We sell some of the nicest pre-owned vehicles anywhere. I mean, if you're looking for one-owner rust-free equipment, that's our creed, that's our specialty. We'd love to hear from you. Our phone number is 919-661-2886. Been here 25 years, A+ rated, 22 of them. We do a fantastic job of any commercial line vehicles. We've got big trucks, small trucks, cars, vans. If it's got a commercial need, we can fill it. So we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, again, my name is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors, Raleigh, NC. The website's josephmotorsnc.com. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call. Love to hear from you. This is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors. Have a great day.